No drawing, no drawing. I like that. I'll just give you security, annotate. No drawings, guys. You just need to like kind of really small, focus your attention for just some time. Give me some time, and we're not gonna make it very long. And you'd be like, oh, this is so sleepy and boring. Even I don't like the boring stuff. So we're gonna get started with Roblox Studio today, okay? And we'll make our very first simple script in Roblox, okay? Ready? Again, show me a thumbs up sign. And you don't actually have to show the thumbs up sign. I'm just saying, show a thumbs up sign in the front of your computer, and we are all ready. Oh, you all are muted for some time. I'm gonna unmute all of you. If you want to say something, you can keep talking with me, but that will be too annoying. Like, just get some disturbance. But I unmuted some of you. If you have any question, you can ask me quick.
How do you make your own world?
Exactly, nice question. I'm gonna be teaching you about everything. Now, just for some time, be
How do
quiet.
you make your own world?
Yes, we make our own world. We make our own world. We make our own game. Everything.
How do you do it?
Yeah, that's why we are here for, right? So let's get started.
How do you do it with the Chromebook?
I'll teach
Are
you.
we gonna be like playing on like escape games?
Nice thing. No, today we are going to just give a start off to the Roblox programming, like how do you get interact with Roblox, what Lua scripting is, the scripting tag, the codes that run behind your Roblox. Yeah, all those things. Okay, let's just get started. No, you don't have to be on Roblox Studio right now. No one has to do anything. As far I want to tell you, everyone, forget everything. You don't have to worry about the code. You don't have to worry about the download, the software, anything. Don't worry about anything. Just sit down, relax, be comfortable, look at my screen. Okay? Good? Let's get started. Don't do anything. Don't worry about anything. Just look at my screen. I'll be giving you the whole idea about the Roblox Studio, why programming, and why coding and everything. So don't worry about anything. Let's just get started. I'm gonna, before starting with Roblox, a really simple question. Why do we need a programming language in Roblox? Why can we just simply put some things on the screen and, get the stuff get done so quickly? Why we have to learn any programming language for that? I'll give you an example. Let's take an example. This is your Roblox game, okay? I know my drawing is so bad. That's not the main thing. The main thing is, let's say this is your Roblox screen, and this is your character out there. My drawing is so bad, so no one is gonna judge me for that. Now, this is your character, and your character wants to say, let's say he wants to say, hello, I am new programmer. Okay? You just want to say, hello, I'm a new programmer. And some students who are chatting with me right now, I'm kind of really quick doing the whole lesson, so I won't be able to respond you so quick at the right time, okay? Now, it says, hello, I'm a new programmer. Now, which language is this? Spanish, Russian, but this is English, right? Now, just like we speak different languages, I do speak many languages. Computers don't. Computers speak just one language. You know which language is that? That language is called binary language. Now we'll just add up a real small stuff over here. Let's say this is the computer language. Binary language. Now, binary language is just about ones and zeros and ones and zeros. So hello, I'm a new programmer will be all about ones and zeros. Now looking at this thing, if you look at this one, hello, I'm a new programmer. It's so simple. It's in English. But ones and zero, the binary language is so hard, right? If you have a Chromebook, it's not a problem. You can download the Roblox. I'm not sure about it, but you can actually check it out later on Google. So don't worry about it. As I told you, at this moment, you don't have to worry about any software, any codes. Cool? Let's get started. So ones and zero, it's too hard. Do we have to know about ones and zero, the binary language, in order to deal with computers? No, you don't have to. Let's just take an example. You guys are on a vacation break, and You're in a country where people are not speaking your language, okay? And it's a complete new place for you. You don't know their language, they don't know yours. And out of somewhere, you are like, I want to buy an ice cream. And you don't know the language about what you will say to the shopkeeper. So what you will do, what do you need? Can you think? You need a tour guide, right? Who's going to translate your language to the shopkeeper's one, and shopkeeper is going to understand the whole thing, and your work is going to get done. Exactly the same way, we need a translator. We need a tour guide for computers. The tour guide here is today, the tour guide for us is called Lua. Lua is a language which helps to build a lot of games and a lot of functions in Roblox. So what's going to happen? We simply need this thing on our screen, on a Roblox game. We're going to write something in Lua like that. We're going to just write print hello or whatever you want to say. And finally, on Lua will understand your code, and Lua will go to the computer, and something is going to happen, blah, blah, blah. We don't care because we are not being a scientist right now. So finally, that's going to get compiled inside, and all your Roblox game, you will be able to see this thing. Okay? That was a very quick introduction. Why do we need to learn a professional programming language? We need to learn a professional programming language in order to get our things done simply and very easily rather than doing it very hard way, because computers don't understand us, and we don't understand them, and they are quite about just about numbers and machine things. So we need a translator, or we need a middleman who's going to help us to get our commands to the computer. Computer is a really intelligent thing, but it's useless unless you know how to use it. Like driving a Ferrari. If you have a Ferrari and you don't know how to drive, uh, the Ferrari is of no use. So just like that with the computers, if you don't know how to run the computers, how to tell them that you need to do this, you need to pass your commands, uh, computer is of no use. So we will learn programming languages just to get the work done nicely and get our task completely as soon as possible. Okay, that was a really quick introduction to programming language. We're gonna get back to the live lesson, and that is Roblox Studio. I'm sharing my screen right now. Look over here. If you know about this place. Mhm. This is called Roblox Studio. I'm going to show you about this project later. First, we're going to make a very simple one uh, over here. Now, this is Roblox Studio. Now, you might be playing game on Roblox Launcher before, where you just simply go inside the game and then start playing like Ninja Legends or many much more. But this is the place where developer build the game, right? Yeah. This is the place where developer will building the game. Now, you might be confused, like what place is this? What's the Explorer window? What's the properties window? And why are these tools here at the first place? You don't have to worry. As I told you, this is just a trial, a kind of an introduction and overview to Roblox programming with us. Now, you don't have to worry about anything over here. What you simply need to do is just follow up a few things and don't do anything. Just sit down, pay attention. Mm, Let me just add a part. Let's go to Toolbox. Toolbox are really cool stuff. So if I click on Toolbox, I will have so many things here. You can search for them if you want. I'm gonna just add, let's add this person. No, that's kind of really creepy. Uh, I'll scroll down. I'll add the car if you want. Let's just add one for everyone. Mm, all right, can you type in chat what do you want? What are you looking for? If you want to type in chat, I will be waiting for next few seconds. Five, four, any pick? Five, four, three. Hoverboard, nice. I got the first thing, hoverboard. I'm gonna looking for hoverboard. Let's see if we have a hoverboard here. I'm gonna click on search. Yeah, we got the hoverboards out there. Cool. Who was the one for the hoverboard? Okay, I'm gonna have the first hoverboard over here. It's just drag and drop. So I'm gonna drag it from there, drop it in the place. It's gonna take a while to just drag and drop. Let me just pick the right one. It's kind of really glitchy here. I don't know why. Can I pick it? Yes. Yeah, it's inserting. There we go. We got the hoverboard here. Can you guess where the hoverboard is? It's actually the really small thing. It's over there. Let me go near to it. There we go. We got the hoverboard. It's a kind of a purple one hoverboard out there in Roblox. Now, this is so easy, right? You go to the toolbox, you add the hoverboard in the center of your code, and ta-da, your work is done. You can change the color of the hoverboard if you want, but I feel this is the best color you can ever have for such kind of hoverboard. Now, this is so easy, right? You can just, simply go to the toolbox, add the hoverboard in the center, and your work is done. No, there's a lot more that works behind. As I told you, programming is not just about adding the tools, putting it over there. Your game is still not working. There is no conditioning behind, right? All right, cat, battle axe, pistol. Oh my God, you guys are so violent. Dynamite, rocket launcher. Oh, really? All right. We will add them later. We don't have a lot of time to get the things ready. Right for now, we have a hoverboard, and that's how you add the parts. You can actually change the environment. You can change the sky. You can make your own world. Someone just asked me in the starting, can you make your own world? Yes, this is your own world. Look over here. I'll show you. You can make your own world, and you can teleport your characters to different places. This is just the one world over here. You see that? And you can actually make as many as world as you want. There's like so many things. This is just a one piece of land, and I will say this is world one, but you can actually make your own world if you want. And there is like lot of things that works behind. We will be learning everything in detail. For now, you don't have to worry about anything. As I told you from the
Um,
starting, just don't worry about anything. Let me see the chat box. Can you make a game like Piggy? Yes, you can, but you need to learn a lot of codings for that. All right. Now, what about the scripting in Lua? How are you gonna do that? Two participants. Yes, Piggy is good. Okay. I can actually not see each one of you. Oscar. Okay, let me unmute Oscar. Oscar, ask me a question. All right, I'm not able to unmute you.
so, I just went on the Play Store and it didn't show up.
Okay, good. What about you, Mateo Rincon? Tell me. Oh, you're muted,
What?
right? Someone else also raised the hand. Tell me. No drawings, guys. No drawings. Thank you. Yeah, I'm unmuting you right now. Matthew, he's muted for some reasons. You can ask me in the chat box. I will be replying each one of you over there, okay? Because it's kind of really harder that way. Okay, Spyro is better. Cool. You guys get your own choices to build the part if you want. Right now, we are just doing the very simple thing and very easy things right now because there are so many students and we are not interacting with each other. So you are not supposed to get one personal, what I say, recommendation or kind of preference or something. Just go as simple as we can, okay? Just for today, because this is the live lesson with so many students. Now, I'm going to go near to the hoverboard. How do you add a script? And what about the Lua thing that I was talking to you about? Where is that all going to be? I'll tell you. I'll click on handle, and I'm just going to click on the hoverboard, and I'm going to add the plus sign, and I will add the script. Okay, there we go. We are at the Lua section of Roblox. Here is where you're gonna code all your function script, okay? Now, why are we using scripts if still the same question come up? Like, things are so simple. You just add the part and make your game. No, let's just say this is a circle that you made in Roblox, a sphere. You just pick a part called sphere, and you want the sphere to move this way, okay, without making it unanchored. You don't need to push it. Like if your character is walking and if he touches that, the sphere is going to go there and he's going to say hello. I know my drawing is bad. So how is that going to work? How is the sphere is gonna understand that my one player is just has kicked me right now? He's just standing and he just kicked that. Oh my god, my computer or someone is just okay. He just kicked the ball and the ball went there and it says hello. How is all that gonna work? That's all we need to know about Lua programming. Lua programming is just gonna add the logic to your game. Okay, you can add the parts from the toolbox or you can create one as you like and add the logic from the Lua programming. Okay, now what's of the main thing in your whole code is the output window. The output window is the place where you will be able to know what just happened. Okay, no drawings, again, no drawings. Cool. Now, Lua programming. Welcome to Lua programming. What's the print statement? Print statement is all about introduction or putting something on your screen. I'll say print, we are learning how to code on Roblox. Okay, if I run my code on the output window, I will be able to see two things. Hello world, we are learning how to code on Roblox. It's gonna take a while. Do you see that? It says, hello world, we are learning how to code on Roblox. That means your script just got successfully running up. Everything is compiled, everything is working. Great job. Now I'm gonna stop the code over here, come back to code. I'll say, there are a lot of things you can work from there still on. Let's say, I'll say print, this is a simple print statement. Okay, I'm going to click on play. Now look at the output window. It says this is a simple print statement. That means all your code is working really, really well right now. And that's how role programming is going to interact with your game. Now, there is a lot more to learn. There's way to go. This is just the baby thing that you're doing. You're just adding a really simple print statements. There are like thousands of things you need to learn, and not thousands. For making a really simple game, few hundred of things, few hundred lines of code will be enough to make a really suitable game. I'm gonna close this thing. Oscar, you can type in chat. I will be able to see that thing. Okay. I don't have Robux right now. I'm a teacher. Any other question? My username is Olan. All right. You can ask me a question over here on the chat box if you have any. Okay, let's go. So the scripts I was talking about, coming back to it, look over here. Once you're gonna get really good in programming scripts, let's say by the end of the level 1, you will be able to write some codes like these on Roblox. Now, does that look kind of really hard? No, it's really easy. It looks hard, but it's kind of really easy. But you need to kind of, everything needs kind of practice. You need some kind of basics to learn. You need some really simple things.
Hello.
Okay, now once you learn all these things, you will be able to build a game like that. Now that game is kind of a copyrighted one, and I'm just gonna play it. If you want, you can join the Roblox launcher and try that game out. Let me play it. I'm gonna click on play. Let me take out the zoom thing from the front. Click on view test. I'm gonna click on play. Now how is that working? Let's go. It's a really simple campfire game, and there we go. We are here on Roblox game. This is one of the most important. I think this is course like a lot of developers have already took, and we can use it, and even you can use it if you learn for how to build this thing. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to play this thing. It says you can even build this thing within a couple of weeks of Roblox programming. Now, this game is simply about how do you interact everything. The car over there, you can drive it if you want. You can get inside the house. I know the house is quite smaller. If you want, you can get inside that and you can walk around the whole scene. Does that look really cool? Now, what's the next thing? You can pick up the log from there. If you want, it says pick up 3 logs. So I'm gonna just go quickly over there, pick up the log from there. hmm Once I pick up the log, my my name is called not like all, and it says I have a log one on with me. Good. Now, okay, you can send me the friend request. Oh, now once I just pick up the log, uh, I'm gonna add it over here at the place of the campfire. There we go. Got it. Now it says pick two more logs. I'm gonna run really quickly and go pick up the another log from there. Now it says my campfire has one and I have zero log with me. And I have zero flint, I have zero stone. I need to pick, I picked another log and it's gonna be keep respawning after every 2 seconds. I'm gonna go back here, put the log. Now it says pick one more log. So I'm gonna run back to that log and pick it from there. Okay, I picked the other log. Now it says I have two campfire logs, one in my hand. I'm gonna put it back there. Now it says done. Now it says pick stone and flint. Now, okay, my campfire has already three logs. We just need to pick up the stone and flint from here. You can make it much better than me. I was just focusing on how to code it. So I have one stone, I have one flint. I will just collect the flint from there. Okay, so I have one stone, I have one flint. I'm gonna add it over here. There we go. It says you started the fire, hooray. The fire is kind of really small for some kind of purpose. We can increase the size of the fire if you want. Now, at the bottom of the code, you will be seeing over here, it says you started the fire, well done. That means all the output is running. There are so many things that's running behind. And how is all this possible? This is all possible because of learning the Lua programming language that is over here. Now, all this code is what you will be learning in the Roblox programming code, okay? And that's it. Nothing to expand this lesson a lot longer or just stretched out. I just wanted to give an idea about how the Roblox programming course will look like. And there are a lot of things that you can explore together. Okay, I'm just going to take a really quick at the admin commands. How will you add admin commands? Admin commands are added using the script service. You will find it out in the Explorer. Uh, how can you make a VR game? VR games are made using the console and VR coding. That's a different kind of code. How do you get to script the code? Okay, how do you get near to the script? Look over here. Select any part. All right, any part of your screen. It gets highlighted in the Explorer window. Just click on the plus sign. You will get the script option. Okay. All right, cool. Now, we are about to finish the whole lesson. Let me wind it up really quick for all of you together. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. I will open my camera. All right, we are about to finish the whole lesson. Now look over here. We have learned why do we need programming languages. I know it's quite dark. It just take a couple of seconds to get the lights back. All right, now we learned about how to, why do we need a programming language. We learned about why do we need a programming language and how to get to scripts in Roblox. We took a kind of really quick introduction to Roblox. We got about an idea why Lua is working with Roblox, why do we need logics to build the game. And once you build the game, and you can make your own game. You don't have to copy anything. You can make your own game regarding all your skills that you will learn from Lua. And you can simply, you found the game, cool, you can start playing there. And then you can publish it to public. And once that game goes hit, you can get famous with around your friends or the kind of circle you have. Okay, and I think that will be it. That will be it. We won't be actually taking the lesson quite longer today. Just wanted you to get a kind of a really cool idea about why do we need Roblox programming, and that's it. So guys, I think you can book for a trial. If you look at the chat box, you can book for a trial with us. We can go slowly and we can talk in everything in detail. This was a really quick lesson because there are a lot of students and I cannot respond to each one of you at the time, at the moment, because you know the situation out here. We all are just going through a lot of programming things, concepts in a very short period of time. If you have any questions, if you have any kind of queries, if you want to have your personal trial with Kiddy Coders, you can look at your chat box and get yourself over here. You can book your first free trial with us. Yulia, you can give them kind of introduction. All right.
Sorry, I'm here.
Yes, you can tell them about this course.
So yes, thank you very much everyone for attending this course. So how was it? Did you like it? I hope everyone liked the lesson, and if you are interested in learning more about Roblox or any other programming language, go ahead and visit our website, Kiddy Coders, kiddycodersclub.com, and sign up for a free trial. Okay? Okay, thank you very much, and see you soon. Bye-bye.